Hello guys, welcome back to Good Shower Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix no audio or sound bug in Wasteland 3 for PC devices. Right, so if you wanted to play in PC, there used to be some kind of bugs happening right now. So how to fix this up? Right, some of the affected players have also started reporting the same via Reddit and all, so we just wanted to show you how to do this. So to do this, first of all, go to the device manager, so that you have to click here and you have to go for manage. Right, once you're done with that, you have to go for device manager, then you have to click on here audio input and output. You have to click here, right, you have to click this, then you have to select, right, select the connected audio devices from here, and you have to go for the update. For the time being, I'm selecting this, and there is an update driver option which you have to go for update driver. Right, so it's going to take the software is if updates available, it will update automatically and download and install the update. Then once you're done with that, all the procedure, what you have to do is you have to go here and go for restart. Right, you can go for restart option here in the bottom. Right, that is what it's all about, the first one. Then additionally, to do this, you have to go to follow these instructions. If that doesn't work, the first method doesn't work, you can go here, then you can go for settings. Right, you have to go for settings, then you have to select system at here top left, then you have to click on sound. Right, once done with that, you have to go here in the right side and you have to click on sound control panel. Then you have to select which one is yours, and you have to select the respective one from here. For the time being, I'm selecting this, but for you, you have to select which one you have connected and which one you need, and you have to go for it. So I'm going to just go for this one. Then I have to click on properties. Right, once I'm done with that, I have to click here in the spatial sound at the top, which I have to select. Then as you can see, now the select off and save changes, so it is already off. So it sometimes it used to be in this Windows signing for headphones, so if it is so that you have to make sure it is off, then you have to go for OK and you have to cancel this. Right, so once you're done with that, what you have to do is you just have to close all the tabs and you have to play the game once again after restarting a computer. You don't forget to restart. Once you're done with the restart option here, you're done with the restart, and try playing the game once again. So this can fix the issue, right, audio or sound bug in Wasteland 3 for PC, Windows PC. Right, so that's all about it. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for the notification. This is Shahin signing off from Get Shower Tips. See you soon. Peace out.